Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram voice effect? Can you tell me the latest error problem? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. First, there is a limit for using the effect on Instagram. This issue appears when you have reached your daily use limit now. You will need to wait up 24 hours to resolve this issue. If this issue is still remaining after 24 hours, then follow the next step to fix it. Now find the Instagram app, tap and hold, tap on I button or app info. Now tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, go back and tap on force stop, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and go to Play Store, search here Instagram, update your Instagram to latest version. After completing update process, restart your device normally. After restarting your device, your problem will solve successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.